With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So here we have a question. We have to find the value of integration cosec square x minus 2019 over cos raised to the power 2019 x dx. Okay. So here we have four options. We have to check which option is correct. So I'm going to solve this. Basically, I'm going to write my I as integration. I'm separating this numerator and denominator. So it will look like cosec raised to the power 2x and cos x raised to the power minus of 2019. Okay, and here I'm writing it as minus of 2019, and here we can write this as cos x raised to the power minus of 2019, and here we have dx. Okay, so this is the given integral. So basically in this part I'm going to write this as like that. You can see here. So I'm writing it as cosec square x cos x raised to the power minus of 2019 dx. Okay, minus integration of this I'm writing separately. So 2019 is a constant, so I'm writing it outside, and it will be cos raised to the power minus of 2019 dx. Okay, so this is the integral which we have to find. So basically I'm going to solve this integral by part. Okay, so integration by part you already know. If you have integration of two function in product, then it is given by, let's suppose this is my first function, this is my second function, then integration is given by first function as it is integration of second function with respect to x minus of differentiation of first function with respect to x, integration of second function with respect to x, and complete integration. So this is simply integration by parts. So I'm going to apply this integration by parts over here, over this integral. Okay, so basically which function is first function and which function is second function. So basically the function which you know the integration directly, then suppose that function as the second function. Okay, so that you can integrate that thing. So I'm going to assume that this is my second function, because we know the integration of cosec square x, which is minus cot x, and it is my first function because we don't know the integration of cos x raised to the power minus of 2019. Okay, so I'm writing here my I will be for this thing, first function as it is means cos raised to the power minus of 2019 integration of cosec square x dx minus differentiation of cos x raised to the power minus of 2019 with respect to x, integration of cosec square x with respect to x, and integration of complete with respect to x. Okay, and I'm writing this thing as it is. It is minus of 2019 integration cos x raised to the power minus of 2019 dx. Understood? Now here I'm going to integrate this thing, so it will look like I equals to this as it is. Okay, raised to the power minus of 2019 integration of cosec square x is directly known, which is minus of cot x. Okay, minus differentiation of this thing, so it will be minus of 2019 cos x raised to the power minus of 2019 minus 1, it is minus of 2020, and differentiation of sin x, cos x is minus sin x. Okay, and here we have integration of this thing, so integration of this thing is minus of cot x. As I told you here, the integration of cosec square x is minus of cot x. Okay, and complete integration with respect to x, and I'm writing this thing again as it is. It is minus of 2019 integration cos x raised to the power minus of 2019 dx. Okay, now in the next step, this I'm writing as it is minus of cot x, and in denominator I'm writing it is cosec raised to the power 2019, and here we have minus of, this will become minus minus become plus, plus minus become minus, and then minus minus become plus. Okay, so it will be completely plus. Okay, and 2019 I'm writing outside because it is constant. I'm writing this this sin x here. Okay, this is sin x. I'm writing this cot x as cos x over sin x, and here I'm writing this thing as d's minus of 2020, and here we have dx. Now I'm writing this final thing as d, so it will be minus of 2019 integration cos x raised to the power minus of 2019 dx. Okay, now I'm writing here it will be I equals to minus of cot x over cos x raised to the power 2019. So I'm writing this thing as 2019 x. Okay, and here we have plus of 2019. This sin x will cancel out this sin x and this cos x, and it is minus of 2020, so it will be minus of 2019. So I can write this thing as integration cos x raised to the power minus of 2019. Here we have dx minus 2019 integration cos x raised to the power minus of 2019 dx. Okay, if you can see, then this integral will cancel out completely this integral because it is in positive, it is in negative. So finally I can say that my I will be equals to minus of cot x over cos 2019 x, and finally plus c as my complete integrating constant. Okay, so this should be the final answer for this question. Let's check the options. So basically, yes, option 2 is correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.